Welcome back, dear ones. It is time to expect the unexpected in October 2023. As always, I'm sharing with you the guidance for the month ahead so that you can know how to navigate and know what might be coming up and how to deal with it in a constructive and empowered way. Now, why is it time to expect the unexpected? We're talking about consciousness. This is not just looking into a glass ball and telling you this and that is going to happen. This is giving everybody who listens the tools and mechanisms to influence what is happening and influence reality. It's always about recognizing where you do have the power, even though you may feel completely powerless. So, why is it important when we talk in terms of consciousness to expect the unexpected? And this is huge, and this can go for any area of your life. It can actually transform any area of your life. But let's focus now on the navigation through the month. Whatever it is you have been expecting or have been listening to so far that has felt to you as disempowering, as maybe hopeless, as negative, as saddening or enraging. And as this has tied up your energies and your focus and your mental powers, you've actually contributed to what you don't want. And so why it is so important to really do this consciously now. Expect the unexpected. This is the only way you can contribute to the creation that you do actually want to experience, to experience life how you want to experience it, to see the changes that you want to happen, manifest in this world. If you keep expecting what everyone, meaning what the loudest voice out there is telling you, right? If you keep believing that, if you think this is the creation of reality and I have no option but to follow what that loud crowd are saying, then you just contribute to that one path. So by you expecting the expected, by you listening to what's there in the center of the media, in the center of the energy field that you might even perceive, you're not actually creating what you want to experience. You're contributing to what you don't want to experience. And as we know, where the world is at right now is the negative polarized forces are trying everything to stay in power, to keep their power, and this is done through oppression and fear. So whenever you feel that messages of oppression and fear come into your sphere, into your energy field, into your awareness, you get to question, is this what I want or is this what I don't want? Does it resonate or is it something that is absolutely not within my field of resonance? And then you get to decide. You get to choose something else. So, all you lightful souls out there, I'm here to remind you to expect the unexpected in October and thereafter. Meaning, make what does not seem to be the mainstream or does not seem to be at the forefront of what's happening, but what is actually what you want to see in the world. Make this your priority and start to expect to see signs of this manifesting. Because we know those who believe, those who trust, who have faith, can move mountains. And the more there are, the easier it gets. You just need to then contribute with your part of the energy to moving the mountain. You as one person, you don't have to move the whole mountain. But us together, we will move mountains. So expect to see mountains being moved, which is the unexpected. Expect to see turnarounds, let's say in world politics, let's say in other aspects of your life, of your private life, or of the collective life. See things being changed. Expect them to be changed. Expect them to be turned around by you, by your energy, which is focused, attention and energy, which is focused on what you actually want to see. But that also means you need to get clear on how you want things to be. Now, the first general statement is often enough to shift the energy, meaning if you don't exactly know what the world would look like in every single little aspect that you would like for it to change, you can take topics such like, I want to see peace. I want to see reason. I want to see compassion. I want to see brotherhood, sisterhood. So you can take these general aspects and focus on them. And wherever you see something else arising during the month or the months ahead, you overlay it with your expectancy of what no one else seems to expect. But guess what? So many other people expect or start to expect that, start to not just wish for it, but become an active co-creator in manifesting it. That's what we are. We are creators. We are manifestors. And we can allow others to create for us and then think there is nothing we can do. But what is very clearly the message for October is, you are creators, every single one of you. So start to expect the unexpected and let the unexpected become the expected for you. Have no doubt that you will see signs of what you would like to manifest in the world. Have no doubt to see signs of the manifestations in your own life. But become a cooperative component, become a co-creator in it, meaning if you want to see peace in the world, start with the peace in your heart. Then start with the peace in your life, in your relationships, in your interactions with the seeming outside world, which does not exist because all is one. The outside world is part of you, you're part of it, and you're all part of the one consciousness. And this is why we get to create, because we're part of consciousness, and everything is being created within this one consciousness. So I am here to encourage you and empower you to create and expect exactly what you wish to create and expect that to happen. You will see shifts. You will see changes where a day beforehand nobody might even think that this is possible. And the next day, there you go. You will get some news or you will see something where it will actually be proven to you, because not just you are going to start doing this more and more. So many people are hearing this call. So many people get their own guidance, which tells them to step into empowerment, to stop being victims and stop being followers of something they do not want to follow anyway. And by receiving that guidance and then by putting the work in, by working on ourselves, by transforming ourselves, by focusing on becoming what we want to see in the world, we actually create it in the world. And so you are going to see the manifestations of this, because it cannot be that what we co-create, what we create, remains hidden. At some point, you will see maybe first little signs, but then bigger signs and full-on mind-blowing shifts happening. But not if you keep expecting the seemingly expected, what everyone tells you is going to happen. like everything is lost, everything is going down the drain, all freedoms will be lost, and we will be oppressed forever. If you believe that, and if you believe that you're supposed to expect that because that's what you are being told, look at the source of where does it come from? Who is telling you to expect that? And then go within. And then take the power back and say, what is it that I expect? And I'm going to focus on what I want to expect, what I want to see manifest. And that way we all actually, it's seemingly like what I'm sensing also is somehow the universal energies, the cosmic energies are supportive of that process. So it's not just the human perspective and the soul consciousness in the human perspective, but also the cosmic alignments or arrangements and energies that are coming into the planetary sphere are supportive of this empowering process. So go forth with this now and find peace and joy in this empowering message. And whenever something comes up during the month, remember this. It's about you remembering to be a creator. It's about you and your expectations, because they will manifest into reality. It takes time, it's a build-up, and it's something that you need to practice. It's not just, okay, you sit down for 5 minutes, meditate on what you want to expect, and that's it. It's a frequency, it's a vibration, it's a vision that we need to hold over long periods of time. And the more of us that do that, and trust me, all of us light beings, we have the same visions. We have the same expectations. We are creating the same. We're creating the light, the manifestation of the light and the love and the freedom on this planet. We're doing it. So expect to see the signs of this. I'm going to love you and leave you for today, and we'll talk again next time if you want to.